Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a fragrance last all day. So how to make fragrance last all day. I don't think my tips will be so amazing, but I still wanted to do a little video about that. I heard some people saying that they put Vaseline on their skin and they sprayed fragrance on it, and somewhat it might work, might make it last longer. I mean, technically how it works, the longevity of a fragrance is really simple. I mean, spray the fragrance on your skin or on your clothes or wherever, or even like on the table, it doesn't really matter. But how it works, it's that the fragrance evaporate, and the fragrance, like this little bottle here, there's mainly two things that are important in that. There's alcohol and oil. Smell might be essential oil, might be fragrance oil, might be some aroma chemical, doesn't really matter. Those two things are in there. So how it works in the end is that the alcohol evaporate alongside the top notes usually, and then there's some oil that is left on your skin. That oil still evaporate, but not as fast as the alcohol. And this is what make a fragrance project and be smelled. So if you put Vaseline, it will mix with the oil of the Vaseline. That potentially would make it last longer because it will have to somewhat evaporate from your skin. And it's really how it would work for the projection. And I'm saying all this because it's important to know that with longevity of a fragrance. If you want a fragrance that lasts the whole day, there's no miracles to do. It all depends on how fast fragrance will evaporate. If it's hot outside, it will evaporate faster. If it's cold outside, it will take more time. If your skin is cold, it will take a little more time to evaporate. If your skin is hot, will take shorter time to evaporate. And really, there's not much we can control about this. There's one thing we can control, and it's the fragrance itself. And we cannot control what's inside of a given fragrance, but which fragrance we use. And really, my only tip I can give you to make a fragrance last longer is to just buy fragrance that lasts longer. Some fragrance will have a lot of notes or ingredient that typically won't last long. Sometimes companies are well known for that, like Zara, for example, or would avoid just buying fragrance from them if you want more longevity. If you really love a scent, a specific smell, I would just bring the bottle with me and spray more. It doesn't last long enough. You can spray in your hair, spray in your clothes. Could be a way to make it evaporate more slowly, because in your skin it will evaporate, will be directly with the air outside plus the heat of your skin. But if it's on your clothes, there won't be the heat of your skin with that. There's no magic trick. There's like little tips that will make a little difference, and that might even be tricking your mind into thinking it's making a difference. But in reality, the only thing you can do is find different fragrance, try different one, and eventually you'll find one that lasts a lot of time, lasts the whole day. Get this one. If you want to help yourself make it faster to find those fragrance, you can go on fragrance site like Fragrantica, look what people say about the longevity. But even that, it doesn't really mean much, because people will have different experience with different fragrance, because your own skin, as I said, your own body temperature will be a big factor on how it will project, where you live, also time of the year it is. I mean, this fragrance lasts the whole day for me, but if I tried in summer, it might not, because it will be hotter. Now it's in winter. So that's it. Try fragrance, figure out what lasts the whole day for you, and buy this fragrance. Another thing you can do is just accept that your fragrance that you love is not gonna last the whole day, and just spray more somewhere during the day. So hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, well, like and share. If you have your own tips to make fragrance last longer, put it in a comment. And if you want to read those tips, just go ahead and read the comments. Maybe someone have an amazing unknown tip for that, but I would say find the right fragrance is the best tip. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.